This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file URA tax returns. First, identify if you are required to file based on your income and residency. Next, collect all your financial records, such as Form W-2 or Form 1099, and any expense receipts. Finally, confirm your correct filing status, whether single, married filing jointly, or head of household, to proceed with the return accurately. Once your documents are ready, decide if you'll file online using approved software or mail a paper form. Carefully enter all your income details and claim any eligible deductions to reduce your taxable income. This step is crucial for an accurate return. After inputting everything, the system will calculate your final tax due or the refund you can expect. Many taxpayers can lower their tax burden by utilizing various deductions and credits. Look into common deductions such as home office expenses, student loan interest, or contributions to retirement accounts. Additionally, investigate credits like the child tax credit or earned income tax credit, which directly reduce your tax owed. Remember to maintain thorough records for all claims for at least 3 years. After reviewing your return for accuracy, submit it before the deadline to avoid penalties. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them on time through an approved method. If you're due a refund, consider direct deposit for faster access to your funds. Always keep a copy of your filed return and all supporting documents for your records, typically for at least 3 years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.